BMW is back on the Nürburgring for spring testing, and this time the spotlight is on a prototype that enthusiasts have been waiting to see in action, the upcoming M350. This model is expected to replace the current M340i, and while the name might change, the spirit behind it certainly has not. From the test shots, it is clear that BMW is not pulling any punches with this new generation of the 3 Series powered by a combustion engine. Even though the M350 is based on the G50 generation, which uses the familiar cluster architecture, it is adopting the new design language we have seen across BMW's Neue Klasse lineup. That means this combustion model is starting to look more like its electric sibling, the i3. But do not be fooled by the similarity. Under the skin, these two are still very different machines. One thing that immediately grabs attention is the quad exhaust setup at the rear. For years, this configuration was reserved for the full-fledged M3, but BMW has started giving this aggressive look to its M Performance models too. It is a bold move, and it makes the M350 look far more serious than the current M340i. It seems BMW wants this model to be taken seriously not just by casual drivers, but by enthusiasts who expect a bit more edge. Although there is no official word on the engine specs yet, all signs point to a turbocharged inline-six. Expect subtle power gains, possibly pushing past the 380 horsepower mark, with a refined take on the all-wheel drive setup that the M340i already does so well. What we can also expect is the new iDrive X infotainment system and that wide panoramic vision display sitting right at the base of the windshield. BMW's goal appears to be tech consistency across its lineup, regardless of powertrain. From the outside, the M350 shares its profile with the electric version almost perfectly. Flush door handles, sculpted lines, and the unmistakable kidney grille all point to a unified design language. This makes the combustion-powered 3 Series feel modern without trying too hard to look like a throwback. It still carries a performance vibe, but now with more polish and precision. What is especially exciting is that BMW is letting the internal combustion engine model coexist with the Neue Klasse electric platform rather than forcing one to replace the other. For fans of internal combustion performance sedans, that is a win. You get the updated looks, digital cockpit, and performance hardware, without giving up the growl of a real engine. You will have to wait a bit longer to get full specs and see the final production trim, but spring testing at the Nürburgring shows us BMW is serious about making the M350 more than just a placeholder in the lineup. It is shaping up to be a powerful and high-tech sedan with a proper motorsport edge. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss future updates on the M350 and all things BMW.